Welcome to our new editor. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through our brand new editor and magic templates powered by AI. Starting with your left-hand navigation bar. Up first is templates. Here you have access to all of your previously saved templates along with new suggested templates that are super clean and professional, and they house dedicated areas for your unique AI text along with all of your personal branding information. For example, your contact information, your headshot, and your logo. For the very first time, we're also housing a dedicated branding area right within the editor where you can access and manage your brand colors and all of your contact variables, including your contact information, your headshots, and your logos. When toggled on, each of your contact variables will work independently on your designs where you can customize them individually. For example, if you wanted to go ahead and increase the size of just your name, you now have that functionality. You can also move things around, so again, you're no longer locked into just one block of text. Up next, you have images. Here you can manage your uploads, review and sort folders, and of course have access to all of the images from within our library. To search for any images, you can use the scroll or you can use the search and filter functions. To swap a background, simply click these three dots on the image you'd like to use and click Set as Background. You'll notice that all images in all slides have been changed to my newly selected background, and that's because I had my link turned on, which means any changes made to one slide will be applied all automatically. For example, even if you were to go ahead and update your text, because my link is turned on, any changes made to the slide I'm working in will be applied automatically, making it super easy to edit all slides in one go. Double-clicking any font on your text will also open up your font toolbar where you can preview your text options, you can adjust your font, the color of your font, you can change all to uppercase within one click, and then of course you have access to bolding, italicizing, underline, and of course your alignments. You'll now also have access to adding shapes to your designs. So very simply, you can choose the shape you want to add to your designs, whether that be a square, a rectangle, an arrow, a fine line, and select the shape you want to apply to your design. Here you can adjust the color. So maybe I want a just nice bright white arrow on my designs. I can go ahead and adjust the color as needed. I can resize it. I can change the orientation by rotating features there as well. Text. If you wish to add a static text box to your designs, you also have those controls built in now on the left-hand side. If you'd like to add a static text box, just be sure to click the Add Text button, and here you can adjust as needed. You can also control the shape transparency by adjusting the transparency slider here. In addition to shapes and transparency, you also have full control over layers where you can move and arrange layers based on how you want them to show up on your designs. You can also control your image brightness by choosing brightness, selecting the tint, whether it be white or black, and the strength between light and dark. You can also swap colors super easily just by clicking on color palettes and adjusting your colors as needed. For colors, you'll also notice that in templates, you still have access to quick controls, which is a great way to swap colors super quickly while staying within your brand colors. That concludes our high-level overview of our brand new editor and magic templates powered by AI. Be sure to click the link below to register for our upcoming advanced training where we'll walk through in depth our brand new editor and all of the new tools you have access to, along with our magic templates powered by AI. We can't wait to see you there.